A hungry jackal wandered by a big drum lying under a tree. When the wind blew, a lolly branch struck the dump, producing drumbeat. The jackal thought that there was an animal inside. If only I could tear the skin, I could eat the animal. She is begun to bat the drum hard. The noise brought a leopard over. The jackal said, "There is some animal hiding here. Since you have sharp claws, you can tear off the drum top and catch that animal." With one heavy blow, the leopard burst the drum open, but there was no animal inside. The angry leopard roared, "You have wasted my time. Now I will eat you." And he did just that.